Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I'm Gab and I'm here with Max today. So this is day 4. Unfortunately, day 3 we didn't have time to do anything. It was pouring rain, thunderstorm and everything, so we decided to wait, and good thing that we did, because big change of plans. This build session is basically almost over already. Yes, I know it's quick, but you guys are probably going to be really happy about this. So I'm going to reveal something right now. Bang. The Z is almost back to black. This all happened so fast, and I mean, you guys are going to know what I'm talking about later. I got hit up by a guy like 6 hours away from me, and he offered me a trade that I could not refuse. So basically, I'm not wasting the paint I bought. I'm gonna keep it for the car that I'm trading it for, and hopefully you guys are gonna like it. So now let's get to work. Holy fuck, guys, so we got the car back together, everything's assembled, all the lights work, everything's perfect, and we did a quick little spray job. It's fine, whatever, we're good with that. So we'll fix Max's grandpa's van, and then we're gonna take the Z for a rip, one last ride. It's been a long day.
You like my new whip, guys?
Yeah, it's fucking hype.
Paid too much for it, and I got no horsepower.
How do you feel?
I don't know.
Is this the right thing?
I guess you don't really have a choice anymore.
I don't know.
They're gone. She's going. Bye.
Fucking right, it's the right thing.
Let's go, Skyline!
Fire.
Start her up.
Holy.
Smells like Japan.
So yeah, guys, there it is. So basically, I traded my car for this. This is a 1993 Nissan Skyline R32. So basically, for the next couple days, I'm going to be prepping this and preparing this for JDM Fest, which is Sunday the 13th or the 14th? 13th and 14th, I think. So yeah, I hope you guys like the car. Sorry I couldn't finish the vlog yesterday, but right now we're heading to Soaklin, which is going to be a completely other video. So see you guys there. Peace.